it's week 2 of Vlogmas. Like I said in my last video, I'm not going to be doing Vlogmas every day. It's just really exhausting, and on top of it, I am not that entertaining of a person day to day, so what is the point? So today is Saturday. Why does my hair look like that? Whoa. Yeah, get in there. So today's Saturday. Tyler and I are gonna go to Montreal and visit his grandparents for the weekend. So that's what we're doing. I don't know if there's anything else I can say about it right now, but stay tuned. That's Vlogmas. Like, it's Vlogmas day 2. Let's just. This is by far my favorite thing about coming to his grandparents' house. Look how cute. That hairline is my favorite thing. Like, why didn't it just grow in here? Or why didn't they just cut off right here? But instead, someone said, nope, let's just okay.
I was eating during Vlogmas. We're eating gyros. There's that fire salad. All this good stuff. It's delicious.
We're in Montreal. Sorry I look crazy. I have my head tie on because Tyler's grandma was just showing me how to make her famous macaroni pie. I'll insert some clips here. At the same time?
Yeah.
Okay. That's a lot.
But I'm not going to oven. Just melt up.
Yeah, at a time.
Yeah.
And let it melt out.
You want to take a picture,
I'm
Lisa?
taking a video so I can look at it. Yeah.
So you taste it tomorrow and say, oh,
I'm gonna say this is all my hard work.
I'm going to say, Grandma, it tastes terrible. That's me.
No! It will taste good. It looks so good. Oh. Here. It's my favorite thing to eat. Like, we're West Indian, Tyler's family's Guyanese, my family's Jamaican, so obviously there are things like curry chicken, curry goat. They make chow mein. She had roti she made, and I'm just like, in heaven, I love food so much. That's why I can't lose any weight, no matter how much I go to the gym, because I love to eat. No diets here. What is a diet? How do you spell that? I love food. Because of that. So she taught me how to make it today, and I'm gonna try and recreate it in a future video in the next coming weeks, which should be fun. Tyler's gonna help. Tyler's gonna be involved. It's gonna be great, I hope. But it's like, it's so good. It is the best macaroni pie I've ever had in my entire life. And like, you can't even go back to craft dinner after this. Like, you can't, like, no macaroni and cheese type combination even comes close. So yeah, that's what I did today. But right now I'm just gonna edit. I have like a whole bunch of stuff to edit, and it's just been like a hectic work week, and I'm realizing I need to just edit more on the weekends, or else y'all aren't seeing the stuff in the week. So I'm just gonna start editing a whole bunch. My Vlogmases, I've decided I'm gonna do Vlogmas, like true to Vlogmas, because I'm seeing a lot of people do like random stuff that has like nothing to do with Christmas, but just random videos and calling it Vlogmas, but that's to each their own. Personally, I think that Vlogmas should be like videos about Christmas. So my Vlogmases are going to be on Wednesdays, that's for sure. They're only gonna be 10 minutes or so, they're gonna be short. And then in between, I'm just gonna drop videos. Why did my voice crack? Am I okay? In between, I'm gonna be actually dropping actual videos. So like, I have a soft glam video coming up, holiday party get ready with me. Oh yes, I filmed a chit chat get ready with me, a nice cranberry look, and then I'm gonna have the cooking video. So they're just gonna be on random days, not my usual typical Sunday uploads. Like, that will definitely happen. But because now I'm behind a video, because technically I did Vlogmas last week on Sunday, and I want to make it on Wednesdays, and then I wasn't ready to edit something by Wednesday, there's going to be a point in there where there's going to be some overlap. There's going to be like a random video dropped on a random day. So just stay tuned, have that bell notification on. Okay, golden hour, come through. But yeah, have those notifications on, hit that bell button. Vlogmases are going to be a Wednesday so that I can end my Vlogmas on Christmas Day on December 25th, and I will upload a video on that day. Aside from that, that's my check-in. I think I'm done. Like, I don't want to talk because I can really talk or ramble for hours. What you guys want to talk about? The weather, Christmas. Is it snowing where you are? Let me go out to the window. Let me see. But like, yeah, there's snow in Canada, in Montreal. Focus. My camera, it doesn't even know where to look. It's looking at the dam, you know? But yeah, that is the current state of affairs. It's cold. We're just trying to get through the snow. But aside from that, hope you guys are getting in the Christmas spirit. I don't know what else I'm gonna vlog for the next couple hours. So this might even be the end. A short ass video. But yeah, so keep that bell notification on, subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas week 2. Can't wait to see you for week 3. That was really awkward and my fingers look like chicken feet. Aside from that, keep getting in the spirit. Vlogmas.